With the share element, you create social share buttons. Your audience can click these buttons to share your content on their social networks. It's a great way to let your audience engage with your content and spread the word. Open up the Elements tab and drag the share element onto your page. The first time you drop the social share element, a pop-up will ask you which platforms to include. Select the platforms of your choice. That's it. We've now added the social share buttons to this footer block. From that moment on, the selected platforms remain saved. To change your selection, go to the General Settings and select the correct icons. By default, the social share element shares the current page. If you want to share a custom URL, for example of the cover page, add that in the alternative URL field. Learn more in our extensive help center at learn.foleon.com.